Members of the Joint Action Committee against Umngot Hydroelectric Project had met on the 5th of July 2021 to brief the press on their disagreement to dam the Umngot River, which has been their source of livelihood for a very long time. Speaking to the media, the DOLLOI of DARRANG ELAKA, LYMBA, stated that the people of JAINTIA, along with those from East KHASI Hills residing in and around the Umngot River, are opposed to the state government's proposal of damming the river for its electric project. LYMBA added that this particular water body has been a source of sustainable income to residents of the area, and damming it would deprive farmers and residents in general of their means of livelihood.
Manjen ni roh umat nama roh kiran bun ipai pak segala jungi nak thang warga dia tiba red barang bat tiba timja nak roh umat tunjuk roh kiran sibun tuli tibil tiba dan hara jungi tiba imja na ba kamai ling buting mo ya am sumpen karang daki itu laisnam dari di main turis ko ai jungi ke omna khat aspa ne khasan spa tiba imja hara turism te tangtai.
The president of the Farmers Union around Umngot River, while opposing the government's proposal to dam the river for its hydroelectric power project, demanded for the same to be scrapped, as this would greatly affect the residents of both JAINTIA and the entire Maukanrao area under East KHASI Hills district as far as their source of income is concerned. Speaking to newspersons, the president of the Farmers Union informed that a memorandum had earlier been submitted to the state government for the stalling of the Umngot electric power project, since it would affect the farmers and also tourism activities in all areas along the banks of the river.
Bagi pajak coba jalan kalian kintip bagi persya ya kejitmu coba sarkar pandan ya kadam awak umat sementara mereka kenti mentaruh di papan tertib syuki di press kini dia baru bah iladat panpa daga memorandum selesai nadu kalai tadi cumi ada apuai lembah timir namar ke Shillong kiman jadi kepakai kabagim syamala ban ya kendo personal kabagim syamala ban ya lain kawan ina sipal makamil selsiam ban hadu mentari ko ban patip syuki ba yum syamayo kano benur ke coba nausiam tinimla patip ai kebron sendan kata dai hangi ipa pantip pakipai ba gajalah hikintip nakade ke cinthong ina ban pa selsiam ni ko kalai tari coba dai mi acara kuai par kade ke coba ke jongi ke JAC Chào Chief Minister jungi baladau layo yang kita kisiti kami lapar udah bara jawab no baladau tang yai penslam baladau le bom sunyo yang kita siti kami memorandum kami ini lapar kum ke JAC ngimla macam snap nei agak kisli kibanwan di yesasim kiwai pat kilat kilenti pan pentau syaka sokar pat sikipat ba hi yang gaji persyak kabajur mat gaji persyak kapapan kapag kum kitry jaga pat kum chu kibriu kibaim na kani kakam asilang terjo kawa umngot kibayam persyain karam